Hey vlogs, it's me Rarufu and I'm with the Budgies. This is Cloud and this is Sunny. So today we're gonna talk about sunlight, right Sunny? Sunny? Hey Sunny. Right Sunny? Okay, so we're gonna talk about if sunlight is good for your Budgies or not and how long should you expose them. So, okay. Okay, so before this video starts, please click this subscribe button and please like this video and share this on social media sites. So let's start the video. Sunlight is the primary source of vitamin D for all living creatures on Earth. Parakeets are one of them. Parakeets do really love sunlight due to the reason that they need it in order to stay healthy. Budgies do get a lot of benefits from sunlight. Vitamin D helps in processing calcium that is vital to the brain, nerve, and muscle function. Budgies that lay eggs really need vitamin D in order to produce healthier eggs. Phosphorus that plays an important role in the bone formation, acid-base balance, metabolizing fat, proteins and carbohydrates as well as egg formation are some more benefits that you get from the sunlight. But the question is, how long should you keep your budgies exposed in the sunlight? Generally, budgies require 5 minutes of sunlight exposure. Too little or too much may be dangerous. Budgies with low exposure to sunlight can get depressed. Budgies depression in worst cases lead to feather plucking. Budgies do overheat really quick, so keep that in mind. Budgies open their wings when they feel hot. So observe them while they are exposed to sunlight. Overheating can cause some sickness. Examples of it are heat stroke, convulsions, fever, and the worst case scenario, death. But for those living in super cold places with low sunlight exposure, you can use artificial lamps since it provides a full light spectrum that helps your budgie stay healthy. Keep the lamp in your room but not anywhere near your birds so they won't chew the wiring since birds love chewing things.